it's Mark. Good morning. You've got a tough decision to make. You gather the facts. You think quickly about the various strategies that are open to you. You choose one. You act on it. And now, if you're like most people, you either start second guessing yourself, or if you're a medical group leader, you have people in your group second guessing you. Things didn't turn out as expected. You should have done this, you shouldn't have done that, you acted rashly, blah, 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 and so on. Well, it wasn't their job to make the decision, it was yours. Are all decisions correct? No, but it was the decision. And what does second guessing do? Nothing about the decision made. Perhaps it informs you about making decisions in the future. But second guessing yourself about the decision already made is purely destructive. The impact is to inhibit you, to retard you from the ability of making decisions in the future. So stop second guessing yourself. Pull the lesson from it, that's one thing. But you can't beat yourself up over a decision already made. But there's something else in medical groups, another phenomenon that I've seen many, many times over the decades that I've been working with medical group leaders like you. And that's not second guessing by the leader. It's a related form of second guessing by the rest of the group. Whether it's somebody who's in another leadership position, say a board member, a junior in terms of the leadership structure of the group, or whether it's somebody who is simply rank and file. And that's somebody who undermines, that's somebody who badmouths, that's somebody who says that there was doubt about the decision, that's someone who runs off to, in many cases, say hospital administration, in respect of a group that has a contract with a hospital, to express the fact that they have really no faith in what the elected leaders' strategy was, or in the elected leaders' ability to lead. Almost always this doesn't result in any improvement. Almost always what this results in is an undermining of the group itself, a weakening of the relationship between the group and the facility, or the group and its contracting partner, which has bad consequences for all involved. So for those who are thinking about leaking, in essence, as a strategy, generally boomerangs back to affect you and the group itself. For those groups that have people who undermine, my best suggestion is that you get rid of them as fast as you can. They are not doing the right thing. They're simply cancer within the group, and that cancer's got to be treated.